This is going to be the final installment of the 2019 Gift Ideas video series here at Survival on Purpose. In this video, we're going to take a look at some higher price gifts over $100. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews and one last gift idea video related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So as I said, in this final video in the series this year, we're going to take a look at 5 gift ideas that are all over $100. And my criteria for choosing these gifts, just like all the other ones, is just stuff that I think is cool that I would like to get as a gift. And as always, there'll be links in the video description below so you can go check this stuff out and buy it if you choose to do so. So without any rambling, let's just get started. The first item on my list, which I have right here, is my Casio Pro Trek smartwatch, and this is an outdoor smartwatch. And we took a look at this recently on the channel. This particular one is a WSD-30. WSD-F20, and I kept calling it the 30 on the video, but I was wrong. It's an F30. Now let me put it back on my wrist here. And the price on this one, by the way, is $550. So it is the most expensive of the bunch. There's 3 of them that I've got to show you. So it's really nice, and it does a really great job. You can check that video out and see what all it does. But the latest and greatest is the WSD-F21HR, which has a heart rate monitor on it. It's about $500 right now, for somebody that you really like. And in my opinion, the best deal going right now on them is the WSD-F20, and which is this one here, and it comes in several different colors. This one right now on Amazon is $175. So all the features are essentially the same, maybe just a couple of different things. And you can check out the dedicated review video. I talk a little bit about that, but it's $175. So a really good value for an outdoor watch, which I think compares very favorably with the other watches on the market. So there's that. The next item on the list is something that's really cool. We took a look at these recently also, and I like these a lot. This is a good Georgia company, Zach Brown's Southern Grind. But this is the Going Gear, one of the Going Gear Glow series. This carbon fiber handle here actually glows in the dark when it's exposed to light. 4 different versions of this knife. This one is the lowest price one's around $200. They go all the way up to about $300. And you can check that video to see the details out. But these are available on Going Gear, and just a really high quality folding knife. And they make fixed blades also. So there's that. This would be a really great gift for somebody that really likes nice stuff. So anyway, there's that one. A little bit lower price range than that, coming in at $140. This is an axe we looked at, a little camp axe we looked at a while back, the Woodcraft Camp Carver by the folks at Council Tools. And this is made in the USA. Very nice, well-made carving style camp axe, just an all-around good axe / hatchet, very small camp axe. This is a really nice axe. I like this one a lot. It feels really good in your hand, and anybody who's into that whole outdoor camping bushcrafty thing I'm sure would be thrilled to get this as a gift. Again, that's the Council Tools Camp Carver, $140. 2 more things and we'll wrap this up. The next thing I want to show you is, man, this is an absolutely wonderful little knife. This is the Boker Plus Kwaiken D2 knife, and you can see it's really slim, but I don't know if you really can't tell this on camera, but just let me show you just how easy and smooth. There's no way. I mean, I'm barely. Let me see if I can do it with my little pinky. You probably don't want to see me just keep doing that. It's kind of like got I don't know, like a Japanese maybe kind of design style of the blade. It's just really nice. This is from Boker Plus, and the price on this one, there's several different versions of this knife with different scales and different steels and stuff. Anywhere between $170 and $200 online is about the price of this thing, and it is just absolutely super nice. This functions as a really nice gentleman's knife, EDC knife. Just I'll quit rambling. You might can tell I really like this knife. So there's that. Finally, one more item. I'm trying to keep this one short. Holosun has come out. They have a really good reputation. They've come out with some really lower priced, extremely high quality optics. This is the Holosun HE403C green, and right now, believe it or not, this is available on Optics Planet. I paid $183 for this. That is really good. Has a solar feature, so it augments the battery if there's light shining around this thing. It doesn't use the battery, and some people that I really respect really speak highly of these also. So there's that. If somebody's looking for a nice red dot, the price on this one is extremely attractive, and actually it's a green dot, but I like green a little better, for under 200 bucks on Optics Planet. Really nice job there. So that is 5 gift ideas of things that I like. And so maybe somebody on your list will like them too. You might like them. Like I said, no judgment. So hopefully this has been helpful. That's going to wrap up the gift ideas series for 2019. However, if you didn't see anything you like in this series, I'll put links to the previous playlist, previous series in the video description also. Maybe one right up here, because the prices may have changed a little bit, but there's still a lot of gift ideas there for you at a lot of different price ranges. So over the last few years, you got like, I don't know, dozens of videos you could watch and get some ideas, probably hundreds of gift ideas. So anyway, man, mosquitoes are out here in the day before Thanksgiving. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time, and have a great, happy, Merry Christmas, or whatever you celebrate.